Our homes can be placed on a crawlspace or basement foundation. Crawlspaces offer convenient access to pipes, substructures, and other areas that may be difficult or expensive to access otherwise. Other benefits include a short build time and cost savings when a basement is not needed for more square footage. A basement is an easy way to add value and more square footage to your home. Grandeur offers 3 types of basement foundations: ICF, insulated concrete foundation, poured concrete, and a PWF wood foundation. Benefits of placing a home on a basement foundation include cost-saving energy efficiencies and adding more square footage to your home using the same footprint.
Grandeur, building better.